In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find a video or how to find a element using the Xpath in Python Selenium. And I'll just write this out here, how to find element by Xpath. There's a ton of ways to do it. I'm going to be completely honest with you. And today we're just going to talk about one of these great, probably what I think is the easiest way to find an element based on Xpath. What you want to do first and foremost is, oops, we can get rid of that, is you want to install this Chrome plugin or Firefox plugin. It's the same plugin. It's called Xpath Finder. Okay. If you're just looking to basically find an Xpath, use Xpath Finder, and what we're going to do is let's get a web page. Copy this URL. And we're going to go here. I'm going to go to this web page. Whoops, that's not right. Give it a second. And let's find the XPath of this text box here. What we do is we click on XPath Finder, and that'll let us see how these are all being highlighted. You can highlight that, and then bam, there is the absolute XPath of this item. And then if I want to say, now let's say if I want to put some text in there, we're going to do, we'll just call it first name equals driver dot find element by equals by dot XPath. And then we put that in there, that long absolute XPath. What this method is doing is we're getting the driver, we're opening up the driver, we're running the find element method, we're passing into it by equals by dot XPath, which is using this by module, and then we're passing in the value of this. Now let's do first name dot send keys, and then let's just say like and sub. And we run it. And it will find this here, and it puts there like and sub. Easy as that. That's the easiest way to find an element by XPath. There are other ways to find elements. You might be in a more complex situation, but this is going to get you 90% of the time right here. 90% of the time using Xpath Finder is going to work. If you got anything out of this, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment thank you below if you would. Thank you so much.